Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you how I organize my spice drawer. My husband and I love to cook, and it's kind of hard to keep an area that we utilize daily clean and organized, and most of the spice jars are oddly shaped. They're long, they're square, they're round, and it is just hard to keep them all upright and organized, so most of the time we're just rushing and we just throw them back in the drawer. So we needed something that was going to help us both and that was going to be more uniform. So right now what I'm doing is just taking everything completely out. I want to take inventory of spices that might have gone bad or things that I have double of and clean it up. To keep my spice jars from moving inside of the drawer, last year I purchased these spice trays from Ikea, and I love that they have like a little rubber squiggly line so the jars stay in place. I will definitely link them down below for you guys if you're interested. I also love this dustpan with little type of broom from the Clothe collaborative. It is small and portable, and I love using it in spaces like these. All you have to do is sweep up the mess, and as you can tell, it is very efficient. I'm using my DIY all-purpose cleaner to clean inside of my drawer in a microfiber. These are the round glass spice jars that I purchased from Amazon. They are from the brand Milam, and I grabbed a 12 pack and a 24 pack. The 12 packs are golden lids and these ones are silver lids. I couldn't purchase ones that were all the same, unfortunately. And then it comes with a little rubber bendable funnel. This one's dirty because I already used it. It also comes with a variety of stickers. These ones are clear, and you have three options. You can add the stickers to your jars, or you can also use the stickers that are included. They're more kind of like for writing with a chalk, and they also included a chalk pen. I thought that was pretty neat, and that's the option that I'm using. I'm not using any stickers. I just want to directly write on top of the lid, and this is how the jars look. I thought they were really good quality, and I love the golden lid. So I decided to write directly on top of the jar instead, and at first the pen will not show. It is pretty invisible, and then as time passes by the ink gets really white. I'm also cleaning my funnel in between spices just so that they don't mix, and I'm using a microfiber. I did not want to wash them because then I had to wait until it dried, and I didn't want any spices to adhere to the rubber funnel. So yeah, I'm just wiping them in between. Okay guys, I almost have all my spices filled and this is the mess. Over here in the very back I have my spice overflow and then my 2 rubber funnels. I also have some vanilla. I might put it somewhere else, and on all of these spices I don't have jars for, so I don't know what I'm going to do, and this one's too. My Ikea spice trays are nice and clean and dry, so now I'm going to incorporate them into the drawer. So this was going to be the final reveal, but I was not happy. I really wanted all of the jars to be the same, so I had to go back to Amazon and order another 12-pack of jars. And now I'm finally content. This is how it looks, and I think it looks really good. All I need is just 1 or 2 more Ikea trays so that the spices are not moving around. But yeah, I'm really happy with the result. Everything looks really colorful, clean, and uniform, and that's what I was aiming for. And I also like how the handwritten label turned out, and I'm really sure that we will not have trouble finding spices now. So yeah, this is a different view of how everything turned out. Like I said, once again, I really love how it came out to be, and I can't wait to do my next cooking with these beautiful organized spices. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. It is totally free and it'll just make you a part of our community, notify you when I upload new videos. And also, if you want, I would appreciate if you give me a thumbs up. I will see you on my next video. Thanks once again. Bye.